Today is going to be a little different because I'm not going to talk about gear tips or even tutorial. Instead, I just want to create something fun and hopefully it will inspire you.
In years, I've been very lucky enough to get paid for doing what I love, capturing all the precious moments for the lovebirds. But things got paused during turbulent corona times. Things are unprecedented and many people, even myself, don't really know what to expect. But as creative, we love to create and be better. So I started to rebuild myself with my close friends by focusing on things we can do. So we started to create things we don't normally do in the past and look for opportunities to be better, learn more and stay motivated. Creating all this might not be perfect or grand, but the process of creating, learning and sharing surely helped us as a creator more. So let's create, learn and have fun.